Dr. Jaffe, what is a good transit time for digestion?
Well, there's some controversy here. I learned from Dennis Burkitt many decades ago what a healthy digestive transit time is. It is 12 to 18 hours. What you eat at night should come out the next morning, easily and formed. Many people have a 3-day to 7-day transit time that allows for harmful chemicals like TMAO to be formed and reabsorbed. TMAO is a sign of long digestive transit time and unhealthy waste products that can be reabsorbed and interfere with proper metabolism. That sets us up for an onslaught of chronic intestinal, biological systems, and immune defense and repair related illnesses. Chronic inflammation, autoimmunity are often preceded by and amplified by, and maybe to some extent caused by, maldigestion, long transit time, and all the consequences thereof. A healthy digestive transit time, as I said, is 12 to 18 hours. This ensures proper, complete digestion down to elemental nutrient building blocks that are essential for the body, and not partially digested remnants that can be perceived as foreign to the immune defense and repair system. We should be able to metabolize the foods we take in, assimilate and eliminate them while extracting the nutrients and having a swift transit time to remove toxins and extra waste products. Less than 12 hours is a different condition called short bowel. This means not enough time to digest and assimilate the food and to derive the required nutrients. And if you have a short transit time, less than 12 hours, we should work together to improve digestive functions and to allow you to be stress-free while eating, to eat whole and with more digestive components like fibers and prebiotics and symbiotics to repair your enterocytes. These are the cells that line the GI tract, they line the digestive tract, they require glutamine for energy, and we figured out and have patented how to recycle that glutamine without building up glutamate. So if you're concerned about glutamine, you should know it is your help when recycled, and avoid glutamate buildup as an excitoneurotoxin. So whether your transit time is too long or too short, we can rehabilitate it and want to do that now using nature's pharmacy, nature's alkaline way. And I'm Dr. J, and I live this way.